welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be destroying Wolf Attack on Bedwars Solos. First, let's make it a private game. Settings, private game. So I'm going to destroy him. Yeah, that's literally the
Just
title.
after he lost. Really bad.
We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Okay, anyways, here we are. Let's put on, no, not free items and keep inventory. Oh, let's also go to Exodus, my favorite map. There we go, Exodus. And then I'm going to try and fireball jump for some reason, because I just love fireball jumping. So I'm going to get 12 fireballs, 12, yeah, yeah. I'm going to destroy him. Melee diamond sword. Utilities, fireball. Let's get a whole bunch of these fireballs. I'm also going to get a few apples. Let's get 12 apples. Okay, Wolf Attack, you haven't said hi yet. Say hi.
I said hi because I was going to defeat you.
Oh, yeah.
I beat you the last game.
It's because of some weird rank glitch.
Keep making excuses.
It was because of some glitch, okay? Let's try fireball jumping. Wait. Yes, I fireball jumped. Wolf Attack, I'm here. Wait, I'm not gonna get his bed yet. Okay, you know what? You know what I'm gonna get? Okay, we got him. I don't know how many. What's he doing? No.
I killed you?
It's because of the stuff.
Awesome.
You know what? I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Let's get some TNT for old time's sakes. Okay, and then let's go back into the fray. Oof. Bruh. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Good thing I have keep inventory on. Okay. Let's get some wool. Oh my gosh, my bridge is completely destroyed. Okay. Bruh, okay, I don't know what I did. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna destroy you completely. Wait, is that an iron golem? Oh yeah. How many of the spawn eggs do you have? Okay, put the TNT down. Got a few. Okay, that's how we do it. Kill him. No, my own TNT killed me. You know what? I'm gonna break your bed this time. First, let's get some TNT. some more TNT. Okay, let's go attack him. Mr. Wolf attack, your bed's about to be destructed. First, okay, I broke your bed. Where are you? I destroyed you. That's how you destroy Wolf Attack, everyone. Let's do one more round on Exodus. That is how you destroy Wolf Attack. That is how you destroy him.
Well, you won.
See? And the reason I got disconnected sometimes was some, glitch. It was a glitch, okay? Mr. Wolf Attack. Okay. Okay, fireball. Let's get as many of these as we had last time. Let's get some TNT. Let's get a few skeleton armies. A few dream defenders. And a few bed bugs. And some wool. Okay, let's go. Wolf Attack, are you doing a bed defense this time? You sure about that? Wait, you know how to use bed bugs apparently. Okay, let's just PvP this iron golem into the void. Let's just PvP him into the void. Let's fireball him. What? Let's do this. I'm destroying you. I died, but I killed all your skeleton armies. Okay, let's get this. You know, he doesn't know what I have in my inventory, so he won't be ready. No, let's get a skeleton. Wait, are you killing him?
Holy fuck.
I nearly killed you with my fist. Killed you with my fists. Wait, let's get some wool. Okay. Once you kill me, I'm gonna destroy you again. And once you kill me, I'm gonna eliminate you. That's how you truly destroy Wolf Attack. Wait, did you respawn? destroying you. Wolf attack, why did you talk? What's the TNT saw? Wait, what? Okay, I died. Now,
Yay!
Wolf attack, I'm gonna destroy you completely. Wait, watch. Watch and learn. Okay, wait. I'm gonna really disrespect them. First, let's place down all my skeleton armor. This. And then... Oh, wolf attack. I'm really giving you a taste of your own medicine. No!
Yes!
I'm giving you
Yes!
you're dead. Yes, I got you. That's how. Thank you for watching today's video on how to defeat Wolf Attack 3030 and ignore the fact that I died a few times. But that's how you defeat Wolf Attack 3030. Thank you for watching. Bye.